Went down to Sarasota for the course with Dr. Sessman. Class size is really small, very hands-on with the instructor who's a world-class dentist. It has fundamentally changed my practice and being able to better communicate with my lab technician to be able to provide the high level of dental care that I'm trying to aspire to achieve.
I've been a member of the AACD for 22 years, and during that time I've been taught so many things from so many people. It had a lot to do with my success. What I've tried to do is distill that down so that I can give people those cliff notes, if you will, so that they can get their career off to a faster start than I did mine. It's going to include smile design, it's going to include laboratory relationships and how best to communicate. It's going to include dental anatomy, material selection. It's all about doing good dentistry. It's all about providing smile design for our patients, pairing our functional parameters with that, and just doing good dentistry for people in our practices.